Good morning. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. The markets look really volatile, and on this first day of the fourth week of 2021, I want to cover a couple things and then maybe do a few trades. First thing I want to talk about is look at the change in direction. The Dow was pretty decent, Nasdaq was up pretty strong, so was the S&P 500. Some of the things that I'm following had huge moves this morning. It was up, then it's down, and there's a lot of them like that. So I'm gonna just go through all of them. I think Airbnb actually hit like 190. I think this morning. Here you go, 192, and then it's down. There's some other big movers here. I think this thing popped $5 or $6. Look at this one. Teladocs is still up $24. This one is holding up really well, even with the change in direction in Nasdaq. This is holding up pretty well. It's $5 off the day high. Visa down. A couple things are down here. So there's a couple ways I want to play this. Let me just look at something I can do in here. Some things I'm not going to worry about right now. I have plenty of time on the options. This Intel didn't go the way I wanted. I may wait a little bit longer. So let me see what else I want to do. Let me do Rocket. So Rocket here, you see I collected $1.58. This thing's going to expire. Rocket is up today, so I may do something weird with Rocket. I may roll this up and closer, and I'll show you real quick what I want to do. Something like this. And then you can move it up all the way up to like 21.50, and you still get a credit, and you have a dollar buffer for this week. So you can do something like that and try to collect some premium, so you don't have to. So you can trade it again. I can trade weeklies, so I'm okay with doing something like that. That's a small gain, nothing. That's not a huge money maker. And here you go with Kraft Heinz. I got it in at 28. It is moving up. Sometimes I want to get a little bit ahead of it, so I want to roll out and up. And you'll see that if you don't move this, you're only getting $5 a week. And I'll show you what I mean. From you see that this one added another 10, and if you add a little bit weak, that added another 13. The only problem is if you move this thing up 50 cents, all that is gone. So, but that's the purpose of moving up and out. You want to get it ahead of it. Well, let me see if I can collect 4 cents for it. I want to be closer to the other side because you're gaining 50. You're gaining the strike price difference is what you're doing. So here's a quick summary of what I did today. You can see I collected $33 for the AMC. I rolled it out. AMC looked like it's hot. Don't know why. I guess they're not going to do bankruptcy. And people are playing the vaccine recovery. I'm not a big fan of AMC anymore. I was playing this for the subscription and the recovery play, but my Rocket, I did roll this up and out. I moved it 1 week closer, and I moved the price $2 closer. This is a cash secure put, so I'm okay with doing something like this because I technically don't own the stock. I just have an option on it, so I'm just collecting more premium. This one's a cover call, so I just want to. I don't know if I want to let this share disappear. I think I may do the wheel on this. I'm not a big fan of Heinz ketchup, so this one may not be something I want to hold forever. But I was playing a bounce. Heinz has been weak, and I timed it pretty close to the bottom. I don't know will it ever go back up to $50 or $60. So this one may end up doing the wheel, but I'm not really sure how I want to play this yet. But those are my trades for today, and I'm gonna end this video short today. But I do want to say at the end of this video, markets look like they just want to run in either direction, and this is what it's telling me. I mean, you look at these things. These things are moving. I mean, a lot of these things were moving. High tech were moving up. pretty rapidly today, but also it corrected pretty fast. So what I mean by that is you got to be careful. These markets are not for the faint of heart. And I'll show you what I mean. GameStop was halted today. This thing jumped up another 50%. I mean, it was up almost 90%, I believe, when it hit 159 today. This is insane. But if you're an option player, and if you got in, obviously there are people who made 1,000%, 5,000%, all depending on when you got in. There may be a short squeeze. Some people are saying it's all because of the forums and Reddit for the Wall Street bets. I'm just gonna avoid it. Some people were shorting this, or there were some put option people. They were thinking that there's no way. When it was $50, they said there's no way this thing can go up. The company's doing bad. But be careful. If you went put, obviously you can still lose money. The markets are interesting. It's a good time to make money, but there's definitely risks. And you can see it by all these things that are moving pretty hard to predict which direction. With that being said, I'm going to end today's episode. Don't forget to hit the like, comment below. What are you playing? Are there anything that you're watching? I know the electric vehicle space is really hot. Some people are still trying to play the renewable energy. A lot of people playing SPATs and maybe getting in some IPOs. A lot of ways to play. Tell me what you're doing. I'm still doing some Bitcoin plays with RIOT blockchain. As I end this video, don't forget, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time and have a profitable day.